Maze Man here, and right now I am in the entrance of my massive maze. It's only really 2 stories, it's only really 2 floors, like one floor right here, and then the second floor, and then a third floor for the exit. Pushes you back a little bit, but this is the maze. There's a little watchtower up there. You look. But yeah, let's go inside. Set this to first person mode, and I am going in. Putting the timer on, trying to remember where to go, because I keep forgetting. How generous of me. Yes, I know. Okay, guys, it took us 4 minutes and 30 seconds to get through the first floor. Great. Of course, I tried to make like a little thingy where you could kind of go out from here, but it was too difficult, so I just gave up. So that's why that's like that. Okay, now it's time to start on the second floor.
Okay, guys, I just made it to court. This is the big rock guy, this is the jury, this is the judge, I mean. These are the offendant, and then this is the, I don't know what they're called, I have to admit. But, yeah, that guy's going to jail.
Okay, guys, I made it to one of the 2 exits. Okay, guys, I said this, but that was only 3 minutes. And this place, by the way, the map code is, so yeah, bye.